Who are we?
We are
the Honor Family.
I'm sorry.
I like your light, but I wonder would you light up mine? I've been feeling shine away from who I really am.
Welcome back, you guys. We're outside. Yay. It's Zaire and Cora in this video. Today's gonna be a nature video for you guys. We're just gonna go out in nature and explore because we ain't been out in a few days. So yeah.
Yeah, look at the sun, guys. It's amazing. I hope whatever you're going through in life, I hope you get through it. No matter what the circumstances is, you are amazing. You are a great human being at the end of the day. You can do whatever you want to do if you put your mind to it.
Push through it.
Push through it.
And never let anybody tell you can't do it, because you yourself know you can do anything you want to do in life. It could be something hard. It could be something that takes a long time to do, but you still have that faith that you can do it no matter what. Believe in yourself and always believe in yourself.
Yeah, believe in yourself. And y'all can do like whatever y'all want to do if y'all put y'all mind to it. Baby.
So
you can do whatever you want to do too.
Of course I can. You can too.
You can. You gorgeous too, baby.
Oh, thank you. You look good today. You're handsome.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, but
so we're probably just gonna show you around and give you a little tour of the nature we see on a daily basis. Nature is nature, but it's beautiful no matter what nature it is. So let's go.
There
ahead
go a
and-
fox. There go a fox.
Where's the fox?
Right there. I caught a fox. Oh, now let me stop playing.
I'm looking like, what? What are you talking about?
There go a fox.
There goes a bear. Imagine if we're in a wild like forest, and all you see is like, or not a forest, a desert, and all you see is like tigers and lions. I'm dipping.
Yeah,
I'm
that'd
running.
be crazy. That'd be wild.
That would be scary. But yeah, so we're just gonna show you guys a little bit around, and yeah, so let's get into it.
These trees just look amazing, don't they? I mean, these like leaves look amazing.
Look at these.
Look at that one, y'all.
Sometimes you can find caterpillars crawling on them.
Yeah, that'd be that. I like to take
yeah.
pictures of that stuff. Oh God, look at this. It's amazing.
They're not growing yet.
It ain't
I
grown
don't know
yet.
if they're dead or they're just now growing.
Yeah. These look like
It's a lot of greenery, you guys.
These look like it's falling off, getting old.
Well, I think this whole tree is probably old. It looks really old. The whole thing.
Yeah, that do like an old tree, don't it?
Yeah. I think the whole tree is just gone.
Look at this side, like freshly cut.
Compared to
That side right here, that's crazy.
compared to not cut. That's what nature looks like when it's cut and when it's not cut.
I'm gonna give y'all a little drone footage, so we'll come back when the drone is over. Okay. Baby K and Nora and Ariel. Yeah, but what
So
you?
yeah, y'all. Anyways, we have been having a fantastic day today. We've been basically chilling. And yeah. So I really want to go to like a park, because I feel like you get a lot more nature in if you're at a park. So like it's fields and woods and just a lot of grassy areas. I want to get that film one day. Look at this.
What's right there?
It's permanent.
Where? Oh, I see it now. Dang.
So yeah. What are you guys gonna see next in this video? I'm trying to think of something we can do next for you guys.
Dang, them trees.
They got bumps on them. What's that?
What's that?
Wow. I haven't been this far down in a while.
It look like we walking through a forest right now. Cause it looks so dark. Look at this, y'all. It looks so like a forest. Like, you record me, look. Like, just look. Don't it like I'm in a forest? Right?
Yeah,
Like,
it does. That's crazy, y'all. So, but look at all this greenery on the gates and these big old trees that go all the way up there. Y'all hear the crickets? How do you feel about the cricket sound? Do you like it or do you think it's
I love it. I
irritating?
feel like that goes with nature.
Yeah, it really does.
It's like, I feel like it do something to nature that was been done before. But,
You wanna go in the front?
yeah, we can go in the front.
Let's go see what the kiddos are doing.
Every block.
So many little bitty baby butterfly. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not. And look how the sun is just glaring on these leaves. How cool is that? It looks orange. Cool.
You want to touch it? Yeah.
Yeah. This tree has been there. It looks like
It's been there for
through a lot of
ages.
struggle.
That tree have been there for bruh. It's like crazy.
It's been through a lot of
And then
struggle.
you see how that tree is like upside down, just leaning like that, y'all. And
It
it's
could fall any minute now.
yeah, that's what's so crazy. But no, like
No jinx.
no jinx.
Where's your mama? So yeah, nature is just beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, look all of y'all. Look at the trees. Yeah.
There go baby K. Hey, what you doing? What are you doing outside? Huh? Playing? Look at this little girl over here. Look at your curls.
Look at my curls.
I see.
I hear this.
Buffet. Which one?
Next, which one is next?
Get you. Come on. Okay. Say hey. Hey. What you gonna do? You gonna run? Go run. Go to daddy. Go see daddy.
Hi, Mama. Journey. Uh-oh. Let's see.
Journey. Baby, this is gonna be the thumbnail. Journey.
Journey.
Journey. Hey, Journey. Journey.
What's up, y'all? Just coming with my girl.
And y'all, don't worry. She probably is gonna be itchy, but as soon as we go in the house, we're getting her in the tub. So I know grass makes you itchy, but it's fine. We're gonna put her right in the tub as soon as we get in the house. Go get daddy! Go get daddy! Go get him! Yay!
Wow. What you do? What, bird? You see that bird? Hmm? Bird, yeah, it was a bird up there. Mm-hmm.
So y'all know it's just so cute how she was just running after the ear. It was just so cute. Was you running after daddy? Tell daddy to get us. Come on, let's go. Ah, daddy get us! They get us? Didn't get us?
What you up there?
Birds.
Birds?
Oh, look at your neck. You gotta get that tub. Say hey.
Mm-hmm. She seen them birds, Mom.
I know. See, she points out everything. Look. Ooh. We'll probably need to get her a bird for her first
Yeah.
pet. More? Oh, look at the moon. You see the moon?
Did y'all see the moon, y'all? Yeah, I think, yeah, there you go.
It's a banana. You wanna walk down this way?
Yeah, we can. Y'all hear that nature, y'all?
Chirping. Oh, that's a cricket. You hear that, mommy? I know. You can't get down back there. There's a lot of glass back there, mommy. You can't get down. Look.
Y'all see that, y'all? Nature.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Give me that.
She want it back. You gonna put it back in nature? Okay, put it back. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. What? You ain't got no shoes on. I can't put you down back there, babe. Look. Can you see all that? Talk to you. Say, love you. So you guys, it's getting really hot and we're really gonna eat up right now. Probably gonna finish this video in the house. We can finish the video in the house.
Yeah, so hope y'all guys like enjoying y'all nature day.
Oh,
Hope
it's a
y'all
beautiful
have
light.
a nature day. I hope whatever you're doing or whatever you putting your life to, I hope you get it. I hope you be successful in life. And I hope you just have an amazing and great day and a blessed day and motivational day.
See you in the house.
See you in the house, y'all.
What's up?
you
Welcome back, guys.
So now that we're back in the house, we're all just chilling.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling up here watching some YouTube videos. But how you feel today?
I'm feeling good today, y'all. I'm feeling good.
I hope you, whatever you're going through in life, I hope you get through your successful day. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope you have a good night time too as well. I hope your spirits are well and in the right place. I hope you get what you want or what you want in your life. I hope you get it. Don't let nobody tell you can't do what you can't do.
Facts.
Because you could do whatever you want to.
Anything, you guys. Rhea is so mad that she can't be in the camera right now, but I took her clothes off because it's a little hot in the room. I want her to get a little bit of air.
Yeah, it's hot.
But she's so mad that she can't be in the camera. But there goes the girls though. So yeah. Ray is so upset, y'all.
But yeah, it's hot. That's why we like check our
Hold on. So she get a little bit of air, y'all, because super hot. And the other fact is I took her clothes off is because she had long sleeve on. So I had to take the long sleeve off. Because she was really hot with long sleeve on. But yeah.
Let me see.
I'll try to show y'all her face without showing anything else. Hello. Are you happy in the camera now? Are you happy? Say hello, YouTube. So yeah. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. How you feeling?
I'm doing amazing. I hope y'all guys like the nature we did for you guys.
Yeah.
It was super hot outside too. But yeah. You doing good though?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I just hope everybody else out there blessed.
Me too. Be blessed, stay blessed, and always feel blessed.
Because you can get through it no matter what the circumstances is.
Of course. You know you're worthy of something.
You know
And you were brought in this world for a reason.
For a reason. No one ever think you wasn't brought in this world for a reason, because you was.
So with that being said,
Please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload the next video. And subscribe. Why is you not subscribed though? Like, what is the reason why you not subscribed to our channel? We put out nature vlogs, motivational.
like, a lot of stuff. Like, just subscribe. Like, if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned on everything we do.
Yeah, so we can uplift y'all.
Put a smile on y'all's face.
Put a smile on y'all face. Entertain y'all when we do like challenges. Yeah. Like the new.
We have a mukbang coming soon for you guys.
Mukbang coming soon.
So.
Yeah. So.
And anything you guys want to see us do, just comment down below.
Comment down.
If we can do it, believe me, we'll do it. Alright, babe? Alright, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And we'll see you next time. See ya.
We are the family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.